Hi everyone, in this small video I will show you how to remove the airbag module in our Jaguar X300. First of all, as you can see, there is 4 bolts you need to unscrew below the dashboard on the passenger side. In my case there is one added, I think, by the previous owner. Also you can see there is small plugs to hold the board, and you must to pull it up, and do that carefully, because if you don't have extra, it could be annoying to put it back later. Now it's time to remove the fascia to access the airbag at the back. There is 4 bolts to remove it, 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side. For 3 of it, you will need the 7mm socket. The first 3 are bolts, and you'll need 7mm socket, and the last one, it's a nuts with the 8mm socket. After, you must pull up gently the dashboard fascia on the left side. My car is a right-hand drive, so it's left side, because on the center console, as you can see, it's a nut. To remove the airbag, there is 4 bolts, and you'll need a 10mm socket. The airbag connector is attached on the side of the airbag case by a plug. Pull up the plug and bring the airbag connector cable close to you as much as you can to unplug it safely. The airbag is free now, so you can remove it, but careful to not block the wiring to the dashboard, and to not cut it when you pull up the airbag itself. The module is maintained by 2 bolts, the number 10 socket, and there is 2 plugs on the left side, one black and one gray. You have to remove the bolts, obviously, and unplug the wiring to remove the module. Process reverse to put back everything, and thanks for watching.